Suki by Hilton, Panji, Goa. And I'm with Chef Anand, and he is going to prepare a Goan delicacy, which is really famous and really tasty. So we have all the ingredients lined up over here, and Chef Anand is going to brief us about the ingredients. So yeah.
Hi, good evening all. Good evening all. Nice to be here. Thanks for the easy dinner. So today, as we said, we are going to prepare Goan delicacy prawn balcho. So just I am taking to you the ingredients. Here we have cloves, peppercorn, cumin seed, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, and we have some chopped onion, chopped garlics, and the dried prawns. We have red chili, we have coconut vinegar, and prawns. So for this process, first we have to make the paste, which is we have to soak the red chili with all the dry spices along with the coconut vinegar. It's overnight. So we already soak and kept it here, just for your knowledge. And the same one, we have made the paste to prepare the prawn palcho. So the paste, whenever you are preparing a paste, do not add any water. If you want to make the paste, you can use the same vinegar, and if you sort of the water kind, then you can use the coconut vinegar only. So now we are going to start. I am adding some oil. So basically prawn palcho, it's kind of the pickle. So you have to use enough oil to prepare this, so it can increase the shelf life.
So Chef, may I know which chilies you are using here?
Yeah, normally we are using the Kashmiri chilies.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to reduce the spices, you can remove the seeds. If you want to make it more spicy, then you can use the whole chilies.
And have you soaked them in vinegar or something?
Yeah, I have soaked in the coconut vinegar.
Okay.
If by chance you are not getting the coconut vinegar, you can use the normal vinegar also.
Okay.
I have ordered some garlic. So make the garlic brown, then I have to add the onion.
So what do you think? Which are the two main ingredients in this dish?
So actually onion and garlic will give the flavor for the dish. So basically this is a pickle.
Yes.
So you have to give the more garlic, so it will give more flavor for the dishes. And you have to make it brown, and really it should be cooked. So I am adding little salt to make the process fast and the onion get brown. And another thing, whenever you are doing the cooking, we need to add the salt step by step, so that can keep the taste of the food.
Okay. That's nice tip. We normally use salt, when we add onion, because it helps the onion to water
Yeah.
soon. So it cooks also very well.
Yes.
So we are going to let the onion caramelize.
Yeah, onion need to be a little more brown.
Okay.
So we are starting some more time. So the entire process we have to do it in the medium fire.
And here you have used coconut oil.
No, we have used the normal oil.
Normal oil. Okay. You can make it with coconut
No,
oil.
coconut oil for the pickle kind of the things, later it will give the rancid smell, so
Yes.
that's the reason we are avoiding the coconut oil.
And which prawns have you used in this
Yeah,
dish?
basically we have to use the small size prawns, because I already mentioned it's a pickle kind of the things. So when you are using the smaller size, so that will be more tasty.
Yes.
So
Small
now
prawns retain the flavor.
yeah. So now I'm going to add the prawns.
Okay. These are the normal big size prawns. Okay.
These are smaller size prawns.
Small prawns.
So we already de-vein, so we remove the vein.
And have you marinated the prawns with anything?
Now we just add little turmeric powder to keep the flavor enhanced.
Okay. And you didn't add salt while marinating.
Yeah. So now the prawns is already start getting cooked.
So how long does this dish take to like?
Normally it's a pickle when you are preparing it will take around minimum 25 to 30 minutes based on the quantity. Now we are preparing a smaller quantity so it will not take much time. Yeah. So already the prawns start getting cooked.
Like how many prawns have you taken for this particular dish?
This is already I have taken around 30-35 pieces.
Okay, and the quantity of onion that you have used?
Yeah, quantity of onion I have taken 1 piece onion.
1 piece.
Yeah. Now I am adding the paste, which is I already mentioned to you. We have soaked the red chili with all the dry spices.
And I would like to ask you one question.
Yeah.
Is this gravy that we are preparing here, or you have prepared already,
Yeah.
is it similar to the Goan Deshado masala?
No, this is totally different.
Okay. Because the consistency as well as the color looks similar to the Reshado masala. So
Yeah.
that is why.
So we have to cook it until the oil is oozed out. So when the oil is oozed out, this is the prawn palcho is ready. Actually, once you prepare, you can leave it in the room temperature for 1 or 2 days to get absorbed. So it will give more taste. The acidic flavor will be there. So now I'm adding little more salt. I have added little sugar to balance the acidity because we have used the coconut vinegar, so it will be more acidic. So balance the acidity. So I have added little sugar.
And can you tell our followers like how many chilies have you taken to prepare the paste?
This is actually I have taken around 50 grams chilies.
50
So
grams.
yeah, we didn't count the pieces. We have taken the grams
Okay.
and all the dry spices which is I mentioned earlier, along with the ginger and garlic. It was added. Yeah. So almost our prawn palcho is ready. Just the oil is started oozing out. It's very simple recipe. You can do it in your home also because all the ingredients you will get it. For this the main, because we are using some dried prawns. The prawns is dried up, the whole prawns. So we made powder out of it because it will give the more flavor to the dishes.
So this is necessary step.
Yeah, this is, you will get more flavor. Fragrance will be there, the prawns one. So now you can feel when we add the prawn powder, automatically we are getting the aroma.
So you cook till the raw
Yeah,
flavor
the
of
masala
the
to be-
masala.
yeah.
Then cook.
Now you can see the oil is oozing out. Because if we are using the prawns, so prawns will not take much time to cook. That's the reason that we can make it very easily also. The same dish you can prepare with the fish and you can prepare with the pork also. Yeah.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Now it's ready.
Oh, it looks tempting.
Yeah. You can see the oil is already in there.
So how do you store this dal chow?
Yeah,
Like,
because actually we have to leave it in the room temperature for 1 or
Once
2
you
days.
prepare it.
Yeah. 1 or 2 days we can leave it in the room temperature to absorb all the marination and the flavor of the chilies and dry spices.
Okay.
Then we can store this one in the
And
refrigerator.
do you add extra oil or something to preserve it? You
No.
don't require any additional.
Because already we are using the coconut vinegar,
Yes.
so automatically the acidity is there.
Yes.
So that will help the pickle to be stay long. Same we can store it in the refrigerator also for 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah. Now the prawn palcho is ready.
So this is like the signature dish of Feliz.
Yeah, this is signature, one of the signature in our Feliz restaurants. Now our Feliz restaurants open, so you can come anytime. You can dine with us. So we are available offer with the Easy Diner also.
Okay. Okay. So Easy Diner provides you or offer have such great offers for you all. Like it has 40% off when you dine for takeaways, and when you dine over here you have 25% off. So that's the super offers provided by Easy Diner. You can go to their Instagram profiles and check out the offers. They even have an app where you can order your food. Okay, so yeah, I will taste the bal chow now and let's see how it tastes. Okay, so let's taste. Superb. This tastes like an authentic Goan bal chow. The acidic flavor of the vinegar, the sweetness is properly balanced, and the prawns are well cooked. So I just love it, chef. Thank you so much for this.
Thanks for everyone watching this video. This authentic dish, it's available in our Feliz restaurants. So we have, apart from, we are serving the coastal cuisine, Mangalorean cuisine also. So you can anytime welcome to the Feliz. You can book your tables also through the Easy Diner. I'm here to visit you. Thank you.
We should close the. Okay, so and the best part about Double Tree by Hilton, Panjim, Goa is the USP is the view. So as you can see, this view is to die for. Like I'm really impressed by the view, and cooking with this view was an amazing experience. So thank you so much guys for joining in, and we end our live session here. So yes, bye.
Thank you.